YouTube. What's going on, people? I'm out here driving around, trying to test some friggin' different like GoPro angles and stuff. And you know, we're out here driving, boy. As always, car guys out here doing car guy stuff, bro. That's how it goes. I don't know. This, yeah, that's a weird angle. It's a little weird. Man, freaking today's been pretty chill. Woke up, started editing the last video that I uploaded, posted that thing, went out, kind of just drove around to clear the mind, and I don't know, man, it was just a really chill day. Making me slow, bro. Slowing me down, man. I should have turned the camera, man. There was a really nice charger. I don't really care for chargers sometimes, and it's like the Chargers and Challengers and stuff. I mean, they're cool, don't get me wrong, but like they're kind of common traffic now, if you will. They're everywhere all the time. You see them everywhere. But every now and then I see one that's built pretty cool. Hopefully this is picking up the dang exhaust notes here. Hopefully. Stop for a green light, bro. That's how it be. Oh, and another thing. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold up. Ooh. Another thing that's really nice to see is the freaking old tank of gas. We love that. Freaking pops, dude. I love it. Damn. Got some nice cars over here, dude. Sometimes. I seen a A90 Supra over there one day, and I was like, dude, I'm gonna get over there and test drive it, and then I never did, but that's okay. Hoping all of this can pick up, or not all of this. I'm hoping the GoPro can pick up the audio still. That'd be cool, but I guess we'll find out. I'm not making no weird faces, don't worry. I mean, I am, but not on purpose. Got a little Veloster turbo over here. It's kind of cool, man. I used to drive one of those. I don't know if it'll show you in the mirror. Probably not, but I used to drive, not the turbo, but I used to drive a Veloster. Kind of like how I learned the manual for the most part, other than my dad teaching me, because we all gotta have that father that teaches us how to drive manual. And if we don't, then, you know, someone's gotta teach you. It's fun, dude. We got a dang dog just chilling in the back of the truck. That's pretty cool. I'll have a package showing up from Subi Mods pretty soon with a couple cool things for the car. As soon as I get that, I'm gonna unbox it, probably post it up on the Instagram. And I'm gonna get that stuff installed after I clean the car, though, of course, because the car's pretty dirty. But I'm excited to slap those things on. It'll be pretty nice. I will tell you, I'd like to tell y'all, but I ain't gonna tell y'all yet. It isn't anything power related, though. I'm just trying to do some crazy shit. Feeling some type of way because I'm in a Subi. That's what I think that is. Sorry for my finger there. Dude's acting wild. Wow, dude. That dude's acting wild for some reason. I don't know why buddy's acting wild like that for. Here we go again. I guarantee it's because I'm in this Subaru stupid. This is what people do when they see sports cars all the time. Like, bro, what are you doing? I don't get it. I don't get why people do that. Look at that shit. Dude trying to cut up in a freaking Dodge. Dude crazy. That dude's crazy, man. was really throwing shit at my car too. I really hope that the dude didn't mess my car up, throw some rocks at it or something. That would irritate the living dog shit out of me. I know he was throwing rocks at my car too. Man, I don't get it. All right, so when I get parked up at my girlfriend's, I'm gonna, I guess, check my car over and make sure it's not beat up with a bunch of rocks or anything. So, all right. Morning, losers. Guys, I'm tired, man. Gotta get up, freaking go to work. Gotta do something to make all this money for the car show, that's for sure. Day just started. I'm already excited for it to end. I'm really excited for the couple things that I got showing up from Subi Mods, man. That stuff's gonna be super cool, super fun to install. I got some overlays for the like marker reflectors, you know, like the headlight one and the rear bumper one. I got some overlays for that to completely black those out. And then I've got some Evo Glow tail lights showing up. Those are gonna be super freaking sick. The specific ones that I picked, I think are gonna look really dope on the car. Gonna have some like cool animation and stuff on startup and on shut off. It's gonna look super cool. I don't know if y'all, when y'all wash your cars, you use any specific like wax or ceramic that y'all like, but there's this stuff that I use. It's a hybrid ceramic wax and it works really, really good. And right now I'm kind of admiring that because it's a little rainy morning today, not like super rainy or anything, but I don't know if you can see it. If I can stay on my dang lane, dude. I don't know if y'all can see it, but all the water that's on the dang windshield and on my car is just beating off completely. And I love that. Freaking love when water does that instead of just streaking down and leaving weird marks and stuff. Can't be having that. I don't know if you can see it on the side window right here. I don't know if you can see the water at all. You might not be able to. Yeah, that's really it, y'all. I mean, I was just tuning in. I know I was recording something a little bit yesterday, which would have been Sunday, but I just wanted to flip the camera back on and kind of record some more stuff, just because I don't know, man. I'm just kind of winging this stuff. The freaking rev limiter there, dude. Oh, it still sounds cool, man. Whatever. Another VB. I don't know if the camera got it up, but I did see one. That'd been cool if you picked it up, but hey, man. This shit's freaking loud, dude. K-Man. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much the video for today. I might record and slap something in here for like in the afternoon or whatever, but that's really it. Just out here, man, recording, driving. Caught that idiot yesterday doing dumb shit, but that's it, man. Thanks for tuning in, dude. Freaking drive safe, be safe, don't do anything stupid. Subscribe, that'd be cool. And I'll see y'all in the next video, bro.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemies. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed